now we're back at Production Way University, where I was before, but on the opposite track. So this one's going to VCC Clark. And it's really, really confusing.
Millennium Line train to VCC Clark.
So this one actually continues on, whereas the other one was terminating at Production Way University. So, there's a map there to show you where exactly you are. Let's see the track. This year I'm doing videos that are a lot more in detail than they were in previous years. In previous years I would just, there's a track, there's a station. This year I'm giving a little bit more information to those that don't live in Vancouver about the SkyTrain railway system. The only thing I'm not giving details of the types of trains because I don't know anything about them. Don't even know what brand they are. I don't think they're Ulsters, that's for sure. That's Ulsters. Crappy trains we have in Sydney. I think we're going into another tunnel, possibly. Maybe not. No, not yet. Okay, there's another set of interesting stations now on the Millennium Line, the true Millennium Line. When we go past a few of these stations here, we will be passing a few interesting stations. Now this is relatively new, this station. Lake City Way. Now I've actually never got off at Lake City Way before because I don't know what's out here. It's probably not much. But it has always been a station of some sort, I think. Could have been called something else, don't know. Or am I thinking of some other station called Deer Lake, maybe? No? Yeah, not much out here except forest and industry. I don't know what that building is. Is it a data center? Who knows? Yeah, so a lot of forest. Haven't been down this section of the track much because I have no need to go down this section. The only time I went down to VCC Clark is probably in the first year the Millennium Line opened. And as mentioned previously in another video, it was a loop. It was just a loop and it stopped and turned back. It still is a terminus station, but the loop is not a loop anymore, or almost loop. It's a branch now. This is why the SkyTrain has been planned so well. Because if they can change an almost 360-degree loop back to Vancouver on the new Millennium Line to a multi-track non-loop, then yeah, that's very clever. That's really, really clever. So where are we now? Spurling Burnaby Lake. Now I've never been here either before. I've never stopped. I've never had to. Don't really want to. I don't know. Are there hiking trails out here? Who knows? Bit out of the way. There's probably some more interesting stops. further on. Thanks for watching.